10, biology, absorption by roots. Now, plant physiology, what is it? It is a branch of biology which deals with the life functions, but we can say metabolism of the plant. So, it includes the functioning of cells, tissues, organs, systems, and the organism as a whole. So, up to this only you have to say, I'll bracket it. फिर absorption by the roots. The roots not only fix the plant in the soil, giving it support, but the most important and life supporting function of the root is to absorb the water and the mineral nutrients from the soil and conduct them into the stem for the supply of the to the leaves, fruits, flowers and all. So that is one of the main function of root. Now, what is the need of water and minerals for the plants? First is, water is needed in the green leaves as a raw material for photosynthesis. Then for transpiration also, you do jaldi say. A large quantity of water gets evaporated as water vapor during transpiration for cooling in hot weather or for producing the suction force, the pulling force बनाने के लिए भी water is needed for transpiration and pulling force. Then it is also needed for transportation. देखो, transportation is carried out in the plant through water solution from the roots up to the shoot. So that transportation has to be done through the water medium. Then for the stiffness of the plant, देखिए कुछ दिन नहीं पानी होने से कैसे ऐसे हो जाता है, मुरझा जाता है. So for the stiffness of the plant, water is also needed. That is, water provides turgidity to the plant. So these are the basic needs of water and minerals. এবার হচ্ছে, now then the roots must have some characteristic feature for absorption of the water. নিশ্চয়ই থাকবে, নাহলে how can it absorb the water? So what is it? The ability of the roots only to draw the water from the soil, that depends on three characteristics. First, it needs a huge surface area which is provided by the rootlets and the root hairs also. Then the root hairs also contain, as you know, a solution which is known as cell sap at a concentration higher than that of the surrounding soil water. Then root hairs also have thin walls. So these are the three characteristics which help the root to absorb the water rather. So what is it? What is said about the surface area? Now the surface area of the roots is enormous. It is a common experience that even a small garden plant को भी तुम अगर निकालोगे, so like balsam, when gently uprooted, so they show a thick bunch of rootlets. When carefully examined, each rootlet would show hundreds of root hairs also. So if all the root hairs were to be laid end to end, they would cover a length of many, many kilometers. And they also contain cell sap from a higher concentration than its surrounding. What is meant by that? Root hairs are nothing, but the extensions of the outer cells of the roots. So and they contain large vacuoles also within. Some salts are dissolved also in the cell sap. So therefore, usually they have a concentration higher than the surrounding water. So this is the most important characteristic to draw the water. So they have higher concentration, the water will peep in. from the outside for the occurrence of osmosis. Osmosis we will discuss later on. So